I'm in a private group now. Cool.
Cool.
There. Go.
Okay, pitch.
What the heck?
What?
Okay. Am I in the right?
Pitch. What?
Pidge, Bulbasaur, Butterfree.
Yeah.
Okay. Use your birds.
You can use my birds?
Do I even have an empty,
I do.
I don't. I
So
should
far, you
probably
got
use
90
a blank.
seconds.
Yeah.
You're weak, dude. You're weak. Hey, look, I'm gonna do this by myself. Are yours maxed out? Your Trainers?
Nah.
So you're saying I'm gonna win?
Maybe.
Oh, man, dude. It's hard being me.
Nah. Okay. What was it again?
Pidge, bulb, butter.
Pidge, Bull, Butter. Go. Okay.
Want some chocolate? My last chocolate.
No, thank you. Told you I ain't want none.
Whatever, you eat it when I'm not home.
I do not.
I see it all over my desk.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I see all your food.
I don't.
I see everything you
Not a
eat.
lot of chocolate.
I even see, what is that stuff called? Pop-Tarts crap. On my
Kodiak cakes.
and your water bottles.
The water bottles.
Coffee cups.
Accurate. Coffee cups. Also accurate.
You leave crap everywhere on my stuff.
The chocolate.
And then you take.
Not even close.
The only thing you take off there is money.
FYI, we are
Well,
about 7 seconds away. So you gotta watch.
Watch what? Turn your shit down.
No, stop. Please don't curse. Anyway, the whole point is I want this to be a herd quantity.
Why don't I turn some radio on?
Because I don't want the radio. Ooh, this is a bad boy. You got a blizzard.
It's so dumb.
What? What's wrong?
Ooh, this is a bad boy.
No, because he's strong. He's actually got a bad move for us. You're weak. Ugh. Maybe. No way. I don't have any items, man. I gotta get items.
Dude, you're fucking killing me. You're weak, man.
I feel weak.
You are. You should have powered yours out like I did. Or up, or whatever. Max them out.
What are you talking about? You're a noob. If okay, but listen, if you get more damage balls than me, don't post it.
What's that they call it?
Giving up.
Me too, Mr. Time.
Yep, I don't want to deal with this anymore. You're a harassment. actually probably boosted our shots here. I'm going to give him 2 charge moves this time. This is non-trivial. He's beating up on us. What do you think of our chances right now?
I don't know. I'm with him. We can miss it.
Whoa.
It's like a carry weekly.
It's hard always like tossing out your 100% in trades without even knowing it.
I have so many 100% I can get rid of them. I pity you. Such weak moms you have. I wish I had.
I think we're alright.
Okay. See you then.
Hey, oh, our friendship level went up. Yay!
Okay, winner takes all.
Oh, dude, what does that mean? I can't even try to catch it if I lost?
Wait for it.
I saw it. I don't...
God, it sucks being Mystic always a
Do
loser.
not post that!
Is it shiny?
No.
Yeah, weak Mystics don't deserve any more shinies. What's your CP?
It's a 1658.
Well, that's bullshit.
Hey, Liz! Language! What? Oh, I caught it.
Oh, of course, the weekly
Quick catch!
catches it.
Okay. Well, that's pretty cool, I guess.
Chow meow chow. Chow meow chow.
What I really hate is the fact that most of the failures that we've been having at this point are down to logistics errors. Like, oh, I wasn't on the blank. Or, oh, when I withdrew, I stayed too long with my golem when I should have been swapping out immediately.
I couldn't swap out. I was frozen.
Okay.
That's the reason you saw it. You wouldn't move.
Okay. I didn't see it. I'm not looking at your phone when I'm battling with mine.
That's the reason why we jumped out, because I couldn't get out.
Okay, I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Hey, get on your blank.
No, that's not my blank.
And make sure you're ready to swap to the bird
Alright, dear.
opponents. Okay?
Hope your weak mons can help us.
Well, because I really wanted to squeeze what's it called? A Moltres in as well.
I'm only at 30%. I'm gonna die halfway through.
I meant something like that. Because I really want to have duoed all 3.
Wait, what if we do it? Oh, only
We duoed a Moltres, we just never recorded it.
Oh, that's right.
But it's the easiest one. I mean, really, even tomorrow morning, if we just see like a random Moltres, we can just run over and be like, we got this.
Are you gonna be up at 6 in the morning with me?
Oh, yeah. You
I
know
don't know if you know, you're still snoring until 6:30.
If you tell me, hey, we raiding, I'll be up.
Okay.
Okay, Liz.
I'm paying attention this time. Like I'm watching.
Okay, good. No, don't lie to me if you mess up.
I'll lie.
Like, oh yeah, it didn't work for me. Okay.
It didn't work for me, Derek. Don't mess up on us. Because you're going too early all the time.
Always me, going too early. Always my problem. This is good. I got my Stone Edge off. And he fired on me, so I'm going to get 2 Stone Edges off. Dope. Okay, now he's murdered. That time, not so good. Got a second one out there. I think we're good if we keep getting like 2 Stone Edges off. For the most part. I think yesterday when we did it, we weren't getting as many like 2 time offs as we needed. Are the ants crawling up your legs?
No, I stopped myself on the stick. It's on the floor. I'm just kind of walking into the stick. I know, it's
You're on your shiny now.
I noticed. Thanks for telling me.
Letting you know.
You're not noticing.
Good. So I've told you something you didn't know.
Okay, at least I didn't notice. Okay.
We're okay pace right now. Yeah. Just have to make sure that we don't do terrible after this.
Come on.
Okay, I'm dropping. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go.
Oh, this is too low.
Back in. You know, you get Discord messages while here and you want to check them. Sound like your email thing yesterday. Like, what do they want? I gotta know, but I can't stop pressing the button.
My leg itch.
Yeah, it's because you're thinking, maybe there's bugs. Maybe they're crawling on me right now.
It's distracting me. I am about to stop until my phone dies.
No, don't throw your phone down.
Oh my phone. What?
No, 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 no. Fight through it.
Oh my god.
Stop it, Liz. Just keep walking around in circles. Nobody at the park will think you're crazy. What do you mean, me? Okay, let's walk around each other in circles. I want to be near you. This is terrible, Liz. You do not feel that way. You're a liar. Come on, what?
You don't make them. This is all your fault for not powering up. Come on.
Hopefully this is it. I think we're all right now. Who knows? Yesterday I thought we were all right.
Well, I'm still. He's still the time.
He's a dead one. Yeah.
It wasn't last time. Oh, look at all these mosquito bites during that time.
You have to suffer for your art, Liz.
I'm jumping in the car. Screw this.
Obviously, let's go.
Wait, who wins? Who wins? Who wins?
It's Mystic! Thank you. Thanks. I need it. Pokemon Go. Yeah. Thank you, Liz. You left me out here with the strangers. They're all talking to me.
I told you I'm spinning out. That's not fair. I need to redo this.
Doubt it.
We have to redo it.
I need this off. Or at least lower.
That's totally not cool. You picked this part because you knew I would spin out.
Yep.
And all my mounds are powered.
Part of a meticulous plan that included making sure that the only place Zapdos popped up was at this park.
Let's go to another one, Derek.
Why? We've already completed this one. Now I am spinning out.
Yes, I'm spinning out.
I told you I was. Why did you want to get out?
It's your fault that you made me come over here. Again, Derek.
What's worse is this isn't even close to a top one. Look, I think we're going to have to just go outside.
I can't deal with this. It's too much mosquitoes.
Go to that side then.
Oh, we can't reach it from that side. It's not parking on this side. It's only on this side. It says error. Hello. What's your CP? Oh man, mine was 1820.
Yeah, I saw. It's really bad. Ooh. That's not what I want.
Do you even know how to use your phone?
Yeah.
Sure you do. You just stopped recording when you did that. No, you didn't. Oh my gosh! I'm trying to cuss here and it's hard not to cuss.
Getting network errors. Yeah.
Well, I'm done. Let's get out of here.
No, I need to get this.
No, you don't.
This is my trophy.
Oh yeah, one win in a great while. Yeah. I'm lucky I'm spinning out.
It's still not working for me.
You're always picking bad places to play, you know that? Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Turn your blinker off.
Whoa, I bonked it.
I can't even log in.
Where are you going?
Spin around.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know what you're doing.
I know you never know what I'm doing because you're never looking up. You're staring down at the phone.
I'm getting tired of waiting, so I'm just going to start hitting the thing.
You're gonna miss every time.
Nah, man. I'm not going to miss every time.
Probably buckle up.
I mean, why worry?
You're right. Not like you're gonna die.
Nope.
Seatbelts are for nerds.
Seatbelts are for nerds. I got it. And with a peanut.
Seatbelts are for people who want to live. Who care about their life. Now, get out of the car and go get the bird for me. I can't stop spinning out.
There's the name of this one. Check it out. Yeah.
It's just me, Mystic wins, finally.
And 1,000 legendary raids.
You're so embarrassing.
Now, do you care if we, I mean, I'm okay with just not, how do I put it? I'm okay with, just not even worrying about, like, doing the blank battle party, but do you want to?
I don't care.
I'm asking. I mean, this is going to be easy, either way.
I always do it. You're the one who always messes up on us. Wait, do you have your plus on?
Now I do. Just turned it on. Just now.
Oh, I ever turn my plus on. You use your plus way more than I do.
Okay. I mean, why not?
I don't know.
Yeah, I just wanted to get video evidence of all three. That's all. Gillis apparently had an Articuno. That's a EX. If you want to like swing by there, then we would have done all three in one day.
I want to go home.
I'm just glad we do the
Zapdos?
Zappy. Yeah. That was the hard one. That was a grudge match.
That wasn't fair.
Good lord.
I kept spinning out.
Liz, there's no way you spun out so much that it. I mean, because like we still won with like 10 seconds left. So like, there's no way you spun out that much. If you spun out, it was just for a few moments. No, really, it has to be that way.
Please don't mess up, Derek.
Hmm. This is easy.
Why is he attacking him?
He just doesn't want it. He knows he's going to lose either way, so why attack? What's the point?
He's like, I like you guys. Just kill me. Oh, man.
Yes, we're almost halfway. Well, I mean, like 40+% of the way.
What number are you on?
4, I think. But it could be 5. What do you think you're on?
I'm on 5.
Then you're probably right. I'm probably wrong. Oh, yeah, you were definitely right. Because I'm on number 6 now.
I'm just going to use this guy. I'm literally 100% going.
Yeah, last stop for use, right?
Are you on 6, you said?
Yep. We're both there.
Are you going to make it on?
Maybe. Have to be right now.
Yay!
Yeah, it didn't even take down to 100 seconds. All right, let's see. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh,
Valor again. I'm sorry.
good job, Valor.
I know. I'm number 1. Did you get a pink chicken?
No, I did not get a pink chicken.
How high is your chicken?
Oh, terrible. Like 1827?
Mine's 1830.
Okay, we're in the same level of mediocrity.
How many balls did you get? 13? I got 14.
Oh, I whiffed entirely. All right, I don't want to wait around for this.
Yeah, he's so slow.
Yeah.
Moltres.
freaking Moltres. Alright, here we go. Maybe I will wait. He just attacked 3 times in a row.
Excellent.
Yep, I did not do an excellent throw. And he's just popping out on me like, yeah. Ugh, terrible.
We need to go back to his Zapdos and redo it.
Ah! I can't throw well at all right now.
Do you need me to step up?
No,
It's like that.
that's a good job, Liz. I'm gonna use Goldens now.
Oh my god. You're a weak sauce.
Thank you. It's a compliment, right?
Sure, why not? Come on, chicken.
I just don't want to wait. I keep thinking every time, I'll just wait, but then I don't want to. Oh, I forgot to use a berry that time.
You're gonna catch it now.
I might. Wait, come on.
Oh no!
Okay, now I can't forget.
You should do it. Everybody says, "Look away, Derek."
No, stop. Don't put your, first of all, dang it, don't put your hands in front of my phone.
Look away, Derek, and throw. Watch, I'll do it. I'll look away and throw without paying attention. Let's see if the theories. Nope, you're so wrong. It's not true. You look away, it still jumps out.
Okay, I got it anyway.
You're weak.
Stop saying that, please. Okay, I'm done.
Ooh, what is this?
Stop. What are you talking about? What is that? Stop.